You can have everything in life you want if you will just enough other people get what you want. A Productivity Insight by Z.P. Clark. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow entrepreneurs, awareness, mayang gabi, kanatong tanan. Welcome. In behalf of our Bara Council, Honorable Pancho Ramirez and his behalf, and of course our coming, the Mayor is coming, Honorable Mike Rama, all the organizers of market indicators and consultancy, mayang gabi, once again. I would like to take this opportunity to share to you all the Global CEO Study and Research led by IBM Institutions for Business Value, IBM Strategy and Change, nga gitawag og Capitalizing on Complexity. It's a face-to-face interview with the largest non-senior executives between 2010 and 2011, with more than 1,500 CEOs, general managers, senior public sector leaders, who represent different sizes of organizations in 60 countries and 33 industries. The research and study for the 21st century business success, and I would like to share this because this is the most important in doing business nowadays, especially in this very competitive world. CEO and their teams to lead with a bold creativity, connect with customers in imaginative ways, and design their operations for speed and flexibility. Business must focus on 3 areas: embody creative leadership, a new way of solving tough problems. Top leadership quality, CEO cited creativity as most important leadership quality